Hey guys, just a quick video on this single swing mega gate. It's quite a long gate. It's I don't know, it's about 6 meters wide. It's a single swing, so it's about as big as you can get. When you go single swing like this, you got to stick a wheel in. So I've got this wheel in here, and this basically has a sliding bolt holding it, and all the way around. See that? And it's just latching back, just for security stuff. Obviously we try and do everything a little bit more heavy duty, so it's like a real heavy duty tie back, and that's what the gate looks latched back. And I'll just close it again. You can see these hinges, they're customized strap hinges with a 16mm gudgeon. See, you have to have a 16mm gudgeon for something like this. It's very, very heavy. That particular one we made ourselves. We customized that ourselves and made it for this job. But you can see that these are heavy duty. This is 100 by 100 posts, like a 4mm thick post. So very, very heavy duty. And these gates are taking a lot of weight, so it's definitely a two-man lift to get this on, so everything seems to be working fine. So that's a big single swing security gate. We can do this for your premises or your commercial property. Give us a call if you're interested.